Firstly, you have to pay close attention to the words that they're using to describe what they are doing. There is a difference between a flyby, as what they think they are doing, and landing, which is impossible. Nobody can step physically on my moon. There is not an object here on my earth that can leave the containment field of my earth. Think of it this way. Humans are able to observe the smallest particles that make up my creations, the atom, the molecule, the electron, using the contraptions of microscope. Humans are able to see the details. Humans are able to imagine what those properties might be. They can test it, but they can never enter into that dimension. They can only interpret it. Now, with those small particles, it is right there in front of you, in front of them, in front of everyone, but nobody can enter into its dimension. Now, think of that as the opposite of my luminaries, the largest objects out there in my heavens that support the firmament of my creations. Nobody can step onto my moon because they are of a different dimension. Humans can fly as high as they can, away from the surface of my earth, and closer to the luminaries they thought that they can go closer to. But they can never leave the containment field of my earth. There are many rules. There are many differences between the rules. My luminaries are the sources of the support of my entire creations. But my sun and my moon is comparable to a hydrogen atom. One proton, the sun, one electron, the moon. Positive, negative. My earth is not the one going around my luminaries. It is the sun and the moon going around my creations to deliver the energy. It was the fallen angel Azaradel who taught humans about the movement, the properties of my moon. Humans are able to extract details and observe the details of my moon based on what they see using the contraptions of telescope, flying as high as they can away from the surface of my earth to eliminate distortions as much as they can. Humans are only using their imaginings, their imaginations on what it could be based on what they see. My luminaries are out of bounds.